There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making another video today on DIY colored acrylic. I think I'm getting a little bit addicted on creating my own colors as they keep on coming out more and more beautiful every time I do it. I always try to find new ways of making colored acrylic. As you all know, they are very expensive to purchase. So the other day I was cleaning out my little makeup box that I keep in my closet, and I came across these two face powders. One is clear shimmer foundation thing. The other one is kind of a blush thing. I don't even know. All I know is that they've been sitting in my closet for a couple years now, and I'm definitely not using it anymore. So what I decided, instead of throwing it out, trying to create my cover colored acrylics. The outcome is absolutely gorgeous. So keep on watching. I hope you like it, and I hope you like the colors that this had created. Now I did mix 2 spoons of clear and I think 1 big spoon of white. The white will give it a little poof to the color. It's gonna make it more solid than see-through. They are very pigmented and you don't need a lot to actually cover the whole nail. So again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make your own colored acrylic with makeup. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. 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 There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. 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 There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we cannot.